Hello students. Now today again we are doing chapter number 6. Name retirement of days of partner. Now important one. Today also we are doing sum, but it's a different sum from last all sums. In all sums what we have done in that sum, revaluation account, cash account, capital account and new balance sheet. But in this one account is extra we are preparing, that is current account. And to explain you this current account only, today's lecture is going on. So sum is very easy, but to understand current account only, we are doing this sum. So starting sum without wasting our time. So illustration number 15, reading from textbook. So Gopi, Kishan and Ram are partners of firm, sharing profit and loss in ratio of. So here different ratios are given. First of all I am writing name Gopi, Kishan and Ram. Gopi, Kishan, Ram. Gopi, Kishan, Ram. Gopi, Kishan, Ram. Now important thing, how we should know that is current account or not. So in your balance sheet, if there is balance of current account, then we have to prepare current account. Simple. In your balance sheet, capital account balance also given, current account balance also given, and that's why we are preparing both the accounts. Now going ahead, next ratio given 1/2, 1/3, 1/6. So here I am writing 1/2, 1/3, 1/6. This is the ratio. Now here denominator is different, so make it equal. Here 6, by which value we are multiplying, so we are getting 6. Simple sir, with 3. Same way here, if we need 6, then multiply with 2. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6, and 1/6. 1, 2, and 3. Now 6, 6, 6, same. Denominator is same. So we can write our ratio 3:2:1. So 3, 2, and 1 is the ratio. Now going ahead, the balance sheet given as under, we are not reading balance sheet. Ram retired on 1/4/17. So sir, Ram cross. Ram retired 1/4/17. Following terms. So first term, the value of machinery is to be increased by 10%. Now value of machine increase. Now what is given? So machinery given 60,000 rupees. So machinery 60,000 rupees, and in 60,000 10% increase. So plus increase in the value of machinery 6,000. Total we are getting 66,000. And sir, asset value increase means happy. Happy means revaluation account credited with 6,000 rupees. Machine account, that's it. Now second adjustment. First adjustment completed. In second adjustment, the value of trademark is to be reduced up to 40%. Now try to understand what reduce up to 40%. It means make its value 40%. Now what is the value of trademark? Trademark 18,000 rupees is given. So first of all I am writing here trademark 18,000. we need to make its value 40%. Now in calculator you have to do 18,000 into 40%. 18,000 into 40%. Then you are getting answer 7,200. So this 7,200 is the value of trademark now. Because its value reduced up to 40%, it means we need to make trademark value 40%. 7,200 rupees. Now how many rupees reduced? Sir, there is loss. So we have to write loss. 10,800 rupees is loss. Minus decrease. 10,800 rupees. Answer simple one. 10,800 loss. Loss we have to write debit here. And trademark account. Simple. Going ahead. Next adjustment. Bad debt reserve on debtors is to be kept at 15%. So bad debt reserve we have to keep 15%. So what is debtors given actually? So debtors are given 26,000. So first of all, I am writing debtors. On this 26,000, calculate bad debt reserve, and that bad debt reserve is given here 15%. So in calculator, 26,000 into 15%. What is your answer? 3,900 is your answer. So minus bad debt reserve 3,900, and if we are deducting 3,900, we are getting 22,100. Now most important thing, what is bad debt reserve given already in your balance sheet? So in your balance sheet there is bad debt reserve given 8,000 rupees. Now we are required only 3,900. So from 8,000 only 3,900 required. It means 4,100 rupees is my profit, and that 4,100 we are writing here. Bad debt reserve account, credit side 4,100 rupees. Now going ahead, next adjustment given discounted bill. Fourth adjustment, discounted bill receivable of rupees 1,300, which is dishonored on due date. Now most important thing, discounted bill dishonored, it means we are not getting our amount from debtor, and it is already discounted. It means bank deduct that amount from our account. So our bank balance is reduced. So cash and bank account, credit side, our 1,300 rupees goes out. 1,300 rupees discounted bill dishonored. So 1,300 here we are writing. Revaluation account. Generally we can write debtors account, but in addition there is written no amount is received from debtors. No amount is received. So this 1,300 rupees we will not receive from debtors. So it is my loss, and loss is transferred to revaluation account. So revaluation account debit side 1,300 rupees, and here bank account, because it is cash and bank account. So bank account, it is deducted from bank. Simple one. Now going ahead, goodwill of the firm is valued at 60,000. So first of all, write value of goodwill we know old ratio, but we don't know new ratio, so we cannot calculate goodwill now. We'll do later, don't worry. Going ahead. The new profit and loss sharing ratio of Gopi Kishan, 2:1, sir, new ratio. Now we have to Gopi and Kishan, new ratio is 2 and 1. Here new ratio 0. Simple. Now I can find very easily goodwill amounts. So writing goodwill amounts. Gopi Kishan Ram. Gopi Kishan Ram. Calculation. Old minus new. As per Kamal sir method. As per chapter, we have to find gain. So new minus old. But don't worry. If we are applying sacrifice formula and getting negative answer, it's a gain that we can understand very well. Don't worry about it. So Gopi 3, 2, 1 means 3/6, 2/6, 1/6. 3/6, 2/6, 1/6. All three is old ratio. Now 2:1,0. So 2/3, 1/3, and last 0/3. Simple. Now we can take here LCM also, but by considering all these students, we are doing only cross multiplication. 3 3s are 9, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, minus 3/18. Simple. Going ahead. 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 0/18, most important thing and best thing. 3 1s are 3, 6 0 0, 6 3s are 18, 3/18. So here I can understand one thing very well. That is, it's sacrifice and this partner gain. Simple. So whatever sacrificed by R is gained by G, K. No sacrifice, no gain. So this sum becomes very easy. Why? Because what is the ratio of R? So ratio of R is 1/6. So calculate 1/6. It means 10,000 rupees. This 10,000 rupees is the value of goodwill, which is given to R because R is sacrificed. So 10,000 we are crediting here. But all the amounts transferred to G's capital account, G's current account. Now most important thing, whenever we are preparing current account, then all the things are its entry given to current account only. Only capital balance we are writing in capital account. That's it. This is the important one. Otherwise all the things remain same. What we are doing in capital account, that we are doing in current account. Except capital, all the things is written in current account. So here current account we are writing. And same way, this 10,000 gained by G. So gaining account debited. We are gaining by G. 10,000 debit to G. Against it R's current account. That's it, sir. Completed. 100% complete. Goodwill complete. Now going ahead, next adjustment. So complete. All the adjustments are clear. Prepare revaluation account, partners current account, capital account, and the balance sheet after retirement. So that we have already done. Now, what is remaining in balance sheet? So see, what is remaining in balance sheet? So start with goodwill, asset side. So goodwill given 1,500 rupees in balance sheet. Don't worry about balance sheet goodwill. That is transferred to directly capital current account of partners. So distributed 1,500 in the ratio of 3:1, and here we are writing goodwill account. And if we are distributing, then 750. Second, 500 and 250. Goodwill distribution completed. Now what is the other things remaining? Trademark, sir. Trademark TM done. Machinery done. Investment not done. Investment not done. So here we are writing investment first. Investment value is given 40,000. Outer column given 40,000. And in bracket one information is given. Market value of investment 15,000 only. Sir, 15,000 only? Yes. Only 15,000 rupees market value of investment. Now how many rupees reduced? Sir, 25,000 rupees is the loss. So decrease in the value of investment 25,000 rupees. 30, 40, okay. Now actual loss is 25,000. Now see, is there any investment fluctuation reserve given? See, yes sir, investment fluctuation fund 15,000 given. It means we know 15,000 will be loss, but actual loss is 25,000. So from we have assumed 15 loss, but here actual loss is 25. So 10,000 is more loss, and that's why we have to write here 10,000 rupees investment account. That's it. So 10,000 is my extra loss that we have written in debit side of revaluation, because 15,000 is investment fluctuation fund already. Next, going ahead, stock not given. Write down stock. Stock is stock, right? 12,000. Going ahead, debtors. So debtors done. Done. Now cash in bank. Cash in bank. So here we are not preparing cash account, just writing bank account. Simple. And Balabidi given. Balabidi 3,000 rupees given. So right here Balabidi 3,000 cash in hand. Current account Krishna. Now Krishna current account. Now it is given on asset side. It means it's a debit balance. Debit balance transfer to debit side of current account. So Krishna's current account we have to write here. So R's current account effect we are not giving here. And Balabidi we are writing 4,500 for Krishna. Its debit balance is given, that's why we have to write it on top. Simple. Now going on asset side. On asset side, capital account given Gopi Kishan Ram. Again Balabidi. Sir, Gopi Kishan Ram Balabidi. What is the amount? So amounts are 30, 20, 30. 30,000, 20,000, 30,000 is my Balabidi amount. Next, current account Gopi Ram. So current account Gopi and Ram given. Again here we are writing Balabidi, but only for Gopi and Ram. Gopi 8,000, Ram 10,000. So Balabidi completed. Going ahead, contingency reserve 12,000. Now contingency reserve they are not used, so distribute among the partners. So contingency reserve 12,000 we are distributing among the partners, and 12,000 if we are distributing, so getting here 6,000, 4,000, 2,000. Simple. Going ahead, workman compensation fund. So again, worker compensation, that is not utilization of it, so distribute it also. Workman compensation fund. Now here workman compensation fund is given 9,000 rupees. Now this 9,000 we are distributing among the partners and getting answer. Workman compensation reserve answer is 4,500. 9,000 we are distributing. That's why 4,500, 3,000, 1,500. That's it. Going ahead. Investment fluctuation fund. Sir, 2,500 loss, 25,000 loss. All investment fluctuation fund 15,000 already used. Even 10,000 extra loss written here. Complete. Now creditors. Sir, creditors as it is 23,000. So we have to write here creditors 23,000 rupees. Bad debt reserve. Done. Now sir, all these situations are clear. No problem at all. Just closing our accounts and getting answer. So first of all, closing a revaluation account. So revaluation account 6,000, 4,100 here. So 10,100. If we are making total of this 10,000, 20,000, 21,000, 22,100. So 22,100 total of debit side. That is more. 22,100 rupees. So here also 22,100 rupees. From that we are deducting 10,100. So 10,100 we are getting 12,000. Now this 12,000 we are distributing among the partners GKR 3 to 1. So 6,000, 4,000, 2,000 GKR. Cross transfer here 6,000, 4,000, 2,000 and the name revaluation account. In bracket I can write loss if you need to write, otherwise no worry about it. Now sir, bank account can we close? Definitely close it, because we don't have that much money to pay. 3,000, 3,000, from 3,000, 1,300 deducted simply. So 700, 2,100, 1,700 Bala City. This Bala City transfer debit side means here cash or bank. Here bank is given, so we are writing bank 1,700. Now important things are, first of all close R's account because R retire. So closing R's account 10, 20, 22, 23, 500. So total of Ram is 23,500. Here also we are writing 23,500. Now from 23,500 we are deducting 2,250. So 21,250 is the balance. 21,250 is the balance. This balance is in current account, but this balance we are transferring to normal capital account because this account is now closed. So here we are writing capital account. Whose capital account? Sir, R's capital account. So cross transfer to R's capital account 21,250. This is the turning point in this sum. Nothing new, but this is the turning point that we have to understand. Now closing our R's account. So here 51,250 closing 51,250 and writing balance 51,250. Against it, I have to write loan account because I don't have money to pay 51,250. So this is Ram's loan. This Ram's loan we are writing here. Ram's loan account 51,250 rupees. This is the turning point in this sum because current account balance is given. Now don't worry. Now everything is okay. Just close other two partners account. 8,000, 6,000, 4,000, 10,000, 18,500 is the total. Here also 18,500 we are writing. Now from it we are deducting 16,750. So from 18 first deduct 16 means 2,500. Okay. From 2,250 deducted. So 1,750 is the answer. Balacity. Same way. Total of this side 4 and 3 7,000. Here also 7,000. Sir, its total is more. So we have to write first here. Don't worry. 4, 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So here we have to write 9,000. Here also we are writing 9,000. From 9,000 we are deducting 7,000. Getting 2,000 is the balance. So it's a Balacity. So this Balacity of K is transferred on debit side. Debit means here. So we have to write K's current account balance. That is 2,000 rupees. We have to write. And same way, G's account credit, but credit is here. So we have to write here G's current account and amount is 1,750. So current account clear. This balance is not transferring to capital account because they are not retiring at all. Now closing this, only remaining two partners, 30,000, 20,000. Here 30,000, 20,000. It's my Balacity. 30,000 and 20,000. That's it. That you know very well. Transfer credit, but credit here 30,000, 20,000, and 50,000. Total amount. Names G and K. Capital account. Clear, clear, clear. Now, sir, make total of both the sides. If it's equal, we are correct. Otherwise, some mistake is there. So just total both the sides. So 50,000, 51,250, okay. 23,000, okay. 1,750, okay. Correct, sir. 1,26,000 is the answer. Now checking here 66,000. Okay, sir. 7,200, that is also okay. 2,200, yes. 1,512, so here 1,512, yes, sir. 1,700, 2,000. 1,700, 2,000. Perfect, sir. Again, its total is 1,26,100. My sum over, and with this sum, your 95% chapter over, and my video lectures are also, because for extraordinary things I am not providing you any video lecture, directly explaining you in your live lecture. Bye bye. Meet you in next chapter.